Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can speed up your clock really quick in your GTA San Andreas game. So as you guys can see right now in my top right hand side of the screen, there is a clock 12:12, 12:13, 12:14, it's ticking down. So to make that clock really go quick and to have your day go by really quick, all you have to do is simply activate a cheat code. So the cheat code will now be displayed on the screen and you need to type it with me. So you can type in your keyboard, you need to type YSOHNUL. And after you have typed that, as you guys can see, the clock is going really quick and my weather is changing. It's now evening time and it's now daytime. So that's how you guys can have your clock really fast in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to cover, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.